Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex Fam and followmytrades.com, here with week 5 update on the 60-day income challenge. So I'm going, if you're not familiar with what the 60-day challenge is, I decided at the beginning of November of 2023, this year, that I would track the last 60 days of the year and see how much income I could create in 2 of my accounts. One I deem entitled the aggressive account, where I take more risk per trade. And then I have one that's a conservative account where I take less risk per trade by a factor of about maybe 80% less risk. So what I want to do is see how these 2 systems will play out over the course of the last 2 months of the year, and really give you an indication of how you can create additional cash flow for yourself using the markets as the vehicle. And so what I want to do is just go ahead and share my screens with you and share the progress up to this point. And then we'll just kind of let the results speak for themselves. So this is the aggressive account from December 5th through December 10th. And so our P&L for that week is minus $480.08. So essentially flat for the first week of December. So the numbers are the total balance on the aggressive account right now is $58,864.66. That's a week over week change of minus 0.81%. So just shy of 1% difference from last week to this week in growth. And then the total percentage return over the last 5 weeks has been 101.96%. So that's 101% plus 0.96. And that leaves us a total gain in dollars of $29,717.89. So you can see here, these are some of the trades we took over the last week from, we had a couple of losing trades here. So what we did was, the biggest impact was the first day of the month. We had some losing trades where I was, like I said, I outsmarted myself and tried to get on the other side of the market before it was ready to reverse. And so it penalized me for it. The first full week of the month actually was flat. This week normally has most of the high impact news at the end of the week. And so you notice no matter what you're trading, sometimes the market just kind of stands still. And it gave us an indication on Thursday that it wanted to make a move where the Japanese yen was increasing in value. The British pound was decreasing in value relative to that. And so we took the trades and essentially ended our week flat. So now I'm going to show you the conservative account and give you the results for that as well. See how that's turned out over the last 5 weeks. Take these 2 off of here. So it really doesn't take a whole lot of trades to generate results, and that's one of the things that I always try to share with my mentees in my private one-on-one mentorship program, is that we try to look for really high quality setups and take our time and let those pay us. And so this is the conservative account for the same time frame, December 5th through December 10th. The total balance on the account right now is $989,129.94. Week over week increase of 0.21%, and total return over the last 5 weeks is 11.06%. The total dollars gained over the last 5 weeks has been $98,466.43. And as you can see here, last week we made $2,091.35, which essentially is flat on this account as well, given the balance. So we had similar setups on the trades. We took an L on Friday, the 1st, and then the rest of the week was pretty much mixed or flat. And then we're going into this week where we have several trades on that I expect to pay us out and continue us on our track to increasing our income and our cash flow. So just wanted to share those with you. We're in a positive spot. We have a few weeks left for the month of December, and I'm excited to share with you the total results of the program at the turn of the year. But if you're interested in learning more about how we use the markets to create significant income and cash flow for ourselves, and how I show students how to do that as well, just find me at fmtrades.com. But also go through the YouTube videos and see how I approach the market. I use this approach and technique on stocks. I've used it on indices. I've used it on commodities like gold and oil, because the approach where there's a market with buyers and sellers, generally that psychology can be charted. And if you can chart the psychology of the market, you can generally get into the market and benefit from it financially. So until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day and happy trading.